Keeping your TikTok account secure is essential, and enabling two-step verification adds an extra layer of protection. Even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second verification step. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to set it up. Start by opening the TikTok app on your phone. Once inside, tap the profile icon at the bottom, then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, go to Security and Permissions, then tap on Two-Step Verification. Here, you'll see different verification options such as SMS, email, authentication app, or device confirmation. Choose at least two methods to ensure you can always receive the verification code when logging in. Once you've selected your preferred methods, tap Turn On to activate the feature. You'll have the option to add a phone number for account recovery. After completing the setup, two-step verification will be successfully enabled. Now, if an unrecognized login attempt is detected, TikTok will require a verification code before allowing access. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.